Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get an Xhamster mod so you get unlimited tokens. So as you can see, we got tons of tokens and we got all these settings so we can do free tokens, could turn on the anti-ban so I don't get banned. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So first thing we're going to do is go to hexmods.com, and once we're on the website, we're going to type it in. And as you can see, there's the mod. So we're going to press on it, press the download button, and it's going to start downloading. So before it downloads, you may see something coming up telling you that you got to download some apps and download some additional files. This is totally normal, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do that. So as you can see, it should say additional files are required. So what we got to do is download some of these apps. So as you can see, there's tons of them. This Travel Town one says reach level 10. That's probably the one I would go for because it's pretty easy. So you just press continue, download it, and reach level 10. So that's pretty simple, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. It fully works, guys. So yeah, you just gotta run it and do some basic interactions. So for this one, that would be reaching level 10, which isn't very hard. But just make sure you download 2 of the apps. So yeah, once you're done with that one, you could do maybe Merge Gardens, where you got to reach level 9, or one of those. But yeah, so once you finish it, guys, you will get the mod, and you're going to have unlimited tokens, and you can also get the anti-ban, of course, which is really cool, and you can turn off ads. So be sure to try it out, guys, if you want to get free tokens, because this is super insane, guys, and it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe if you want to see more like this. It's so cool. And this is totally working, guys. So be sure to get the word out.